So it's 5:09. So today is Monday. And ngayon pa lang babalik ng school ang mga bata after 1 week na hindi sila nag-school today. So let's make breakfast and make them lunches. Oh my goodness. I'm so sleepy. Oh. Let's go. Make some breakfast and lunch. Let's go. So, ito na guys yung lunch ng mga bagets. So, ayan. Good morning!
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
They're not happy. Uh-oh.
I'm still sleeping.
I know. You guys been out
I am
of...
happy.
You guys been out of school for 1 week? Oh my goodness.
I'm
More like
happy.
4 weeks because of last year.
No, you don't count last year. Where you
I
going?
do.
I'm getting me a drink of water.
Troy is
I do.
happy to go back to school. Oh, I forgot to get you some
Mom.
cereal. Orange juice. Hold on.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
We haven't seen our friends for like 1 week.
Yeah, for 1 week you haven't seen your friends. Wash.
I just been at one.
You been one? Here you go.
I've been at one.
Here you go, kuya.
Thank you. Oh yeah, Mom. How do you like make the eggs but like they're folded?
The one that I'll make that maybe tomorrow or the next day.
Okay.
Okay.
Make it tomorrow.
You're not even eating your eggs, so. Good morning. Nagalit siya guys kasi hindi ko daw siya ginising. Are you sad?
Yeah.
Why are you sad?
You didn't wake me up.
I didn't wake you up. Oh, you're okay. Well, you're up now, right?
Yeah.
Okay then.
Hi, Mom.
So everyone is ready, guys.
What's today lunch?
Today's lunch where? At school? Or your lunch?
Or lunch at school?
Your lunch at school, it's what did I say last night?
Cheese bites.
Cheese bites.
Cheese bites?
Yes.
I think it's going to be like the stringy cheese bites that are in the packets, and then like.
I don't know. I guess it is. I don't know.
And then, like,
Mom.
But I got you some peanut butter and jelly.
Yay.
The jelly that you like. And then Kuya, I got you ham and cheese in your bag in your lunch. Peanut butter and jelly.
okay.
Okay?
Did I get peanut butter and jelly?
Yeah. The design of a
Blackberry?
yes, the blackberry. Okay?
Can I bring my iPad just for this time?
No. Dude, why would you bring an iPad? It's not gonna work.
For you, Mommy.
Because
I made a heart for you. Mommy, I made a heart for you.
you made a heart for me. Thank you.
And you need to make a heart for me.
Here, both hands. Here you go. Yay!
Yeah. Now we love each other.
Yes, we do. Oh.
Ah.
So guys, while we're waiting sa time, it's 6:39, so 6:45 alis na tayo kasi 5 minutes bago tayo makarating sa sasakyan kaya by 6:50 doon pa tayo makakaalis. But ayun, gusto ko lang guys yung so update sa pwede na silang pumasok pero dahil binaha sa mga binaha yung school dahil inulan kami ng bongga. So Troy.
That was cool.
So, inulan kami ng bonggang-bongga ng Tuesday, this is last week, Tuesday and Wednesday. Inulan talaga kami ng bonggang-bongga. Ilalagay ko dito yung pictures or yung video na nakakuha ng video. Ang mas natamaan guys is yung school ni Troy. Yung room niya pala. Yung room niya, yung office, kung saan yung music nila, yung gym, nakagagawa lang. Ngayon, dinemolish na naman. Kasi nga, nalagyan ng tubig and talagang nasira. So yeah, as in talagang it's a crazy week. And then, so yun. Kaya ngayon, ihatid ko sila kasi gusto kong malaman kung saan yung bagong school, bagong room ni Troy. Dahil, and then tutulungan ko din kasi siya. Hoy!
We're going to the kindergarten room.
You might go to the kindergarten room. So, ayun. And, talagang natamaan yung nila. So, merong, so, kailangan magdala ng another extra, clothes, yung kanyang, kalalagay ko lang ng bagong, ay, nako. So, mamaya na lang, ang gulo nilang dalawa, nag-aaway na naman silang dalawa. Okay. I know. Okay. Hey, get some water. Let's go. So, mamaya na lang, to be continue ang ating story dahil we gotta go. Alright, let's go. Ready?
Yeah!
You're not even going to school.
Yeah.
You ready? Get some water. Water. Kuya. Kuya, water. Water. Come on, let's go. It's 6:42.
I already got one.
You got water? Okay. Are you sure you don't need to go to the bathroom? Dahil utot ka ng utot dyan.
No.
Troy, what's utot in English?
Poo.
Fart. Nagla-learn sila ng Tagalog. What Tagalog words you know? What's Tagalog words you know?
Taba.
What's taba in English?
Fat.
What else?
You're skinny.
No, payat is skinny. Alright, let's go. Let's go, Sissy.
I can back and watch it.
Yes. Alright, let's go. Ayan. Oh, gosh, ang lamig, ang lamig, ang lamig, lamig, lamig. Ayan, may mga snow pa tayo, guys. Caleb! Caleb! I said, get in here. I'm gonna get a picture of you guys first. Come on. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. It's cold. Sissy, move. Alright, 1, 2, 3, cheese. Did you just throw me that? Cheese. Look at me. Troy. Look at me. Alright, Sissy, go in there. Stop. Don't look like that. Wait, Chad. Sissy, turn around. Ay, ito namang mga to. Look at me. 1, 2, 3. Sissy. Alright, get in. Binato niya ako ng snow. Oh, talaga tong babaitan to. Sissy, you gotta go back in there and buckle up. Buckle up. Buckle up. Buckle up. Let's go. God, ang lamig. Ang lamig, lamig. Oh, close it again. Ayaw mo. Ang lamig, lamig. Ang lamig. Ang lamig, lamig. Ang lamig. Oh, yes. It is chilly outside. It is 24 degrees, guys. 24. Yes. Is she buckled up? Alright, ready? Ready? Ready?
Yes. Ready.
Ready, Kuya?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go to school, guys. So, guys, tignan nyo yung park dito sa school. And as in talagang nag-flood talaga all the way dito sa school, as in flood talaga everywhere here. Good thing na yung ano na yun, no, yung flower na yung tree na nilagay nila doon. Nandoon pa, hindi na natanggal. Oh, be quiet.
Need to be on time.
Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, it is so cold. Really cold. Ang temperature dito, guys, is 22 degrees. Holy crap. Okay, so because of all the flooding and everything, iba na yung room ni Troy, guys. It's gonna be, hindi ko alam kung stock room siya before or what, but so iba na yung ano niya, same wait lang, tumatawag si Daddy. So, ayun guys. Yun, uwi na tayo kasi gutom na daw si Natalia. So, yeah, kwento ko na lang sa inyo mamaya. And then, dun sa may nagiba ng flood, as in nag-ano siya eh, yung may basta, i-video ko na lang. So, para makita ninyo. And para din makita na asawa ko ano talaga yung itsura niya. So, ayan. Let's go home. Kasi, itong ate girl niyo. Oh, tignan niyo yung itsura na ate girl, ah. Sige, saan ka pa? Alright, let's go. Ayan, bahay na kami, guys. Ayan lang ang gusto niyang breakfast. Cereal, Fruit Loops. Eat it all, ha, Missy? Eat it all of it, okay?
I
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get me some coffee. Okay?
Okay.
Ito na yung story habang gumagawa tayo ng kufay. Binagyo kami. Wait lang, so, gamitin ko lang akong tripod. So, we had flooding and then after that, snow. So, papakita ko yung video dito and then yung video nung flooding sa school and yung snow. Oh my gosh. Grabe. So, nakakaano kasi ang sobrang na-damage is yung classroom nila Troy. Kasi, dun dumaan yung flood eh. Kasi yung sa front, medyo mataas yung ano ng room nila, dun sa front door ng room nila. So, medyo mataas doon. So, hindi naabutan ng flood. And then, so, dun sa room nila Troy, medyo mababa. Yun yung pinaka doon. Mababa yung ng room nila. So, school nila is malapit sa may river. River or creek. Parang ganun. Hindi ko maano. So, ayun. Tapos, merong isang road doon. Yung, kaganina, kasi sabi ng mga kaibigan ko, it looks bad daw. So, syempre, hindi ko pa nakikita kasi simula nung nag-flooding, nag-snow, hindi pa kami umaalis dahil nga, syempre, dito lang kami sa bahay talaga the whole week. Ngayon pa lang kami talaga lumabas dahil nga they're back in school na. So, yun, nakita ko na sa ko kasi nakakakaba din na baka mamaya is mag-collapse yung dinadaanan nila. Na din kasi talaga ng baha. So, talagang naano ng baha talaga yung na yun, yung daanan na yun. So, naglagay sila ng mga sign. Tapos, merong cone. So, one way lang siya na dadaan. And, naglagay sila ng cone doon para hindi ka dumaan doon sa, na yun, doon sa may, nag-collapse, ganyan. So, nakita ko na rin siya and talaga kasi kami ng asawa ko like talagang kinakabahan kami kasi syempre pag marami yung nakasakay sa bus kasi nga nakabus sila, so baka mamaya is knock on wood na maano yung mag-collapse ba yung ganun na dahil nga yung weight nung bus, yung ganun yun ang inaano namin yung weight ng bus, yun yung namin. Kaya dapat ihahatid sundo ko na lang sila. Kasi nga natatakot nga kami. And hindi alam kung kailan gagawin yung na yun, i-fix nila, ganyan. Kaya nakakainis na hindi mo alam yung first year ni Troy, merong ganyan na na nangyari, but I guess we just have to move on. And hopefully ma-fix nila before pumasok si Natalia sa school para makabalik sila ulit doon sa hallway na yon. And yeah. So, kung saan yung room ni Troy ngayon, medyo maliit siya, but enough naman para sa kanila. And, ayun, okay naman yung classroom nila. And, the same building na sila ng mga kuya niya. Hindi, same, area, pero different hallway naman, ganyan. Pero, same area pa din. So, ayun, nakakasad lang, but yeah. So, ayun. So, ayun ang nangyari sa amin, guys. The whole week, hindi ako nag-vlog kasi nga, dito lang kami sa bahay. And, yeah, yun ang nangyari sa amin. Flood, snow, yeah, yun ang nangyari sa amin this last week. Kaya, we are back in our regular routine, guys. We are back. Dahil nasa school na sila, so we are back, baby! Nakakaloka ang routine namin last week. Talagang walang tulog ng maaga. Talagang late na tutulog talaga. As in, gigising late. But, it's okay. But anyways, ayun lang. So, yan. Gusto ko lang i-ano sa inyo yung nangyari sa amin dito. So, but, yeah. Dito na kami sa bus stop, guys. Sabi ni Natalia, yung bus daw is so slow. It's 2:48 na. Never singing up, oh yeah.
I can't see the boys.
You will see them. Just chill, ma'am.
I'm already on this side.
Oh yeah, guys. May kwento pala ako sa inyo mamaya. Nakakairita ang school na to kanina. Hello! How's school today, Troy?
This is good.
Good?
This is the
Huh?
good.
Good? Yeah. Huh?
Good. Thanks for asking.
Wow! Give me a high five. How was your cough at school? Were you coughing a lot? Yeah. My goodness ka.
I was also coughing.
So guys, the whole full week na nandito sa bahay, alam nyo ba, walang mga sakit na naganap, walang ubo na naganap, pero kagabi, doon siya nag-start mag-ubo-ubo. Diba? As in, talagang walang ubo na naganap the whole week na nasa bahay. Wala. Pero nung papasok na ng school, ayun na. Doon na nag-ubo-ubo. So, nilulutuan ko sila ng nuggets kasi nagugutom daw sila. Lalo na si Troy dahil 11 pa pala siya na 11 ba yun or 10? 10 ata, 10:30 ang kanilang lunch. O, di ba aga? Oh yeah, kaganina guys, nananahimik ako kaganina. Hindi pa ako nakakatulog. Tumatawag ang school. Alam mo ba, sabi? Akala ko announcement lang na mangyayari. Alam nyo ba? Sabi Troy is marked absent. Oh, di ba? Oh, di ba? Hinatid mo na. Ikaw na mismong naghatid all the way sa classroom niya. Tapos, sasabihin, ha? Okay, one. Or just wait until you, get your nuggets. Tapos, sasabihin sa'yo, oh!
Am I the first one?
Yes. Oh, yung anak mo absent. Oh, diba?
Bone crusher!
Nakakaloka. As in, like, tapos, dahil yung kanilang main entrance, yung main office nila is closed. So, tumatawag ako sa school and walang sumasagot. Troy, come here and take this medicine. As in, walang sumasagot. Tumatawag ako sa school. Naloka talaga ako. Bait ng bebe, iinom dyan ng gamot to. So, talagang naloka ako, guys, dahil ikaw na naghatid, ikaw na, tapos, lang, a few hours lang sasabihin sa'yo na absent yung anak mo. O, diba? Kayo ano kaya ma-feel nyo, diba? Like, talagang ako. Tapos, tumatawag ako sa school, walang sumasagot. So, yung main building, yung main office nila is nadali din ng flooding. So, naka-close din yon. Kaya ang sabi ko nga sa friend ko aba, kailangan ayusin nila yan. Kasi if emergency na kailangan tumawag sa school or anything like that. Oh, 'di ba? Tapos, kagaya ng sa akin, bigla silang natatawag sa school na they mark absent. O, 'di ba? Ganito dito guys sa sa Amerika. Kapag ka absent ang anak mo, they're going to call you na your kids is absent, ganyan. Yes, baby. Aray? Ha?
Contract is 100.
Okay. No, we have a deal. When you get home from school, what do we do first? Huh?
Sissy's like.
Okay, so what do we do first? When we eat, and then what else did we talk about? What we're gonna do? Huh? Before we use the iPad.
We eat. Mom, Mommy,
What do we do?
do this.
Hi, I'm talking to you. What do we do first?
Oh, that's easy.
Oh, you be quiet.
Do our work first. Hey, Mom.
Don't put that in your mouth.
Hey, Mom.
Give me that, Sissy.
Mom, do
So we do our writing first. Remember?
stretch. And we have
Wanna do what they did in Philippines for mango?
Alright, here's your nuggets. So, dino nuggets ang kanilang, Okay, get down from there. Okay.
Ow, ow, ow.
Okay, lamero ka kasi.
Huh? I didn't watch it.
Oh, so it's A to move. This is the steer. Mom, I finished.
You finish?
Hey, Mom.
Okay.
The controls are a bit. The controls are different
Alright.
because, like,
I know how to actually
A
play
and
this.
B is to move.
Oh, to turn away.
Sissy, you sit down in there.
I can't. I need to finish this level. I need to finish. Wrong. Where's my drink?
So, dinner time na, guys.
Where's my drink?
Hulo. So, they're having spam.
Bam, right.
If I could spell root beer, I'm at
So, ito yung sinulat ni Troy, guys. Magaling na siya magsulat ng name niya.
Can I see? Oh man.
So, now he needs to learn how to write his ABC.
I really want my drink.
Alright.
Here, as your name on it. This has your name on it.
Kuya Chad and Kuya Caleb has some letter. What is it?
Congratulations for working on the honor roll for the second 9 week. You have worked. We are all proud.
Good job. Let me see. Let me see.
The word deer and the word sit.
Dedication to excellence makes us.
Ayan guys, si Kuya Chad is
don't know what that is.
that's the signature of the the school board thing. So Chad is A honor roll. Si Kuya Chad, and then si Caleb is honor roll also. So ganito sila guys kapag your kids is one of your kids is part of the honor roll or A honor roll or AB honor roll, they're gonna send you some letter like this to congratulate your kids to be part of the honor roll,
A honor roll.
A honor roll or and Daddy's home.
Hi.
Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off.
You have no idea how hard to put
Smiley face.
a smiley face on my video.
Hang on a second. It's okay. Come here.
So we are really, really proud of our boys kasi they're always part sila ng A honor roll or AB honor roll. So, yeah. So ngayon, Daddy is gonna siyempre dahil honor roll sila.
Thank you, brother.
So, Daddy is gonna
Go
get
tell your
them
brothers, come here.
something. Chad, Caleb! And they done taking a shower, guys.
Mom, I'm playing this
So yeah, they actually ready for bed now.
Alright. Listen up.
Listen up, you too.
Troy, you did
Listen up.
great on your awards.
Yay!
You know, you be on roll for a couple years. Okay?
Yeah, but hey, he did a
did very-
100 count numbers. Well, he knows more than 100,
Yeah.
but yeah, so Troy did good.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Hey, stop.
Mom, can
Listen to Daddy.
Hey. Tomorrow after school, because you don't have music tomorrow, right? Roblox is over for the year,
Yeah, I know.
so you don't have nothing to do after school, right?
Yeah, but Levi will be here tomorrow
I need
So
to
what time?
have my name.
until 4:30.
Okay.
So when he gets
After
picked up,
Levi's picked up.
yeah.
After Levi's picked up.
Chad, listen.
After Levi's picked up.
Baby, Bobby,
You want to go to GameStop and spend your card?
Yes.
So start thinking about what game you want to get.
I already know.
What?
Fortnite.
Fortnite's a free download.
You can purchase that
On your,
the,
he wanted in his Switch.
On the Switch? It should be a free download on the Switch.
Yeah,
Okay.
It's a Nintendo shop free download.
Bring that magazine back over here. Y'all quit putting stuff on my desk.
Niligpit ko na nga
For
yan.
styles for guys to wear and everything like that.
Ayan.
It's trash.
You ready for bed,
Talks
ma'am?
about commercial.
What is it, Troy?
It talks about Gucci.
Men's cologne.
not be
Can't
my
tell that,
Kimmy.
don't have a-
This is my Kimmy me. The Bigfoot monster.
Stop.
See, Dolce & Gabbana. that's
Stop
what I
being
wear.
mean to your brother. Talaga.
St. Lawrence. You know.
Ayan, bedtime na, guys. Ay, Troy, I need to get you some medicine.
I love dogs.
Alright, good night. Good night. Lay down in your bed, dude. Lay down.
I want a good night's sleep.
Okay, good night. Ito, isa din to.
Hug. I'm a good night hug.
Good night.
Good night kiss.
Alright, good night.
I'll never get up anymore.
Do not get up no more. Because you do that every day, every 5 minutes.
I have a pen pal in Guam. His name is Bao Bao. Bao Bao was terribly frightened, so I asked him for government service to assure
See
him.
what you're doing?
Okay. But you know what? Everything was not okay.
Okay, why don't you just lay down? Ay, lay down.
You remember my grandma? She's
Alright, good night.
Oh yeah.
Good night.
Get a drink of water.
Really?
I forget to drink of water.
Oh my gosh. Here, take these. Take these. Alright, good night. Good night, good night, good night, good night. Lay down. Good night.
NASA sent up to space of us playing video games.